Hey YouTube, Shay here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shay Love Hair. Today we're going to be talking about Model's Yaky Bounce hair. Okay, I've had this hair in for about 3 weeks now, and I have all the tea for you. Y'all know I like to live dangerously, no bonnet, no shower cap, no nothing. So you'll know you'll really get to know everything about this hair. I'm going to tell you, was it hot? Is it itchy? Did it change? Did it frizz? Did it tangle? We're going to go through all of it, okay? And then at the end, I'll give you my overall thoughts on the hair on whether or not I think you should go out and get this hair or... Anyway, so if you want to learn everything about Model's Yaky Bounce hair, then just keep watching. All right, fam. So first of all, let's get this all out the way. Y'all see this white stuff? Y'all could be like, Shay, what you been doing? No. Okay. I've been painting. Okay. This is paint. This is white paint. Because if you know me, you know, like, I like to create stuff. I like to change stuff. I like, you know, a lot of DIYs and all of that stuff. So actually this vanity bag here used to be like this brownish color. It was so old and outdated, and I wanted to update it. So I was painting it, and I don't know why I always get paint on me everywhere from head to toe. I don't know why. So anyway, that's what's in this hair is white paint. So when I tell you, and I had it up in a bun, but it's so much hair, it just happened. Okay, it just happened. So whatever, it's cool. It's cool. I still wore it for a week with the paint in my hair, with everybody asking me like, "What's in your hair?" And I'm like, "It's paint. Calm down." Calm down. It's just paint. Anyway, so this hair, I've been dying to take this out, y'all. No lie. I've been dying to take this out because I'm honestly not feeling it. Like when I first put it in, and I talked about that on my installation video. So if you haven't watched that video, please check it out. I'll put it in the I will put it in the suggested videos, so it should be a card come up at the top somewhere. I don't know which side, but anyway, it should be up there somewhere. Anyway, so initially, when I first put this hair in, like last year, I loved the hair. It was a bit bulky, but overall, I liked it. And I don't know if that's because I had been wearing so much curly hair for so long that I just wanted to change, and maybe I just enjoyed it more. I don't know, but this time I did not like it. To me, it just tangled more. It shedded more. It didn't get frizzy. I'll tell you that. It did not frizz, and I was worried when I added color because this is my first time using any kind of color with the hair. You know, usually when you wear crochet braids, the color seems to frizz a bit more. One of my family members out there, one of our subs, was telling me that it gets processed more when it's colored, so it tends to frizz quicker than like normal black hair. So I guess, you know, that's what's going on. But this red, like, it didn't frizz. Like the hair itself, it did not frizz. Okay, so if you're worried about frizz, don't worry about it. Okay, but it matted like in the nape so bad, y'all. Like it's like a bird's nest. Like if you can brush it, and then you can brush it at the top and nobody will know. Like I got compliments the whole time. No matter where I went, work, church, Ulta, gas station, grocery store, everywhere. Like I always had somebody say something. Side note, that's why I call my channel Shay Love Hair, because everywhere I go, somebody gonna say something. "Oh, I love your hair." For real, my husband will attest. If I don't say it, like, "Ooh, I love her hair," they're gonna say it to me, "Oh my God, I love your hair." So anyway, that's where my channel comes from. So anyway, I got compliments. Everybody loved it, but I was low-key dying on the inside. I ain't like it. So let me show you why. Let me get this comb and show y'all something. All right. Hope you can get up in there. Look at this. Okay, like I brushed it some so I can look presentable for y'all, but it's like you gotta And this didn't just happen, y'all. Like, it didn't just happen like this week. Like, it happened initially. Like, day one, right out the bag, like, it just matted, like, in the back. I don't know why. The rest of it, like, it is not as bad, but as you see, it's definitely not tangle free. But and then the bump, like, the bump is just now starting to go out, which I'm very surprised because, like I said, I've had paint in this hair, you know, like, it was more. But I was able to get some out, but I don't know, like, the bump is just now starting to leave. So I'll give you that. It did not really go anywhere, and like, it still got a little bit of a bump to it. I did like that I didn't have to trim it when I installed it, but I don't know, y'all. Like, unless I just want some straight hair with a bump, like, I just want it, then I really just don't see myself revisiting this hair. I don't know. But, like, oh, this is a good one. Look at that. Like, I can't even. That's awful. That's awful. But like I said, when it's down, like, you can't see it. I mean, so it, like, visually, it's straight. You know, like, it still got its flow and stuff, but I don't know. I can feel the nest on the back of my neck all day at work, and it just drove me up a wall. Like, I can't stand it. Now, I'm in Alabama, okay, and it's hot. And this hair was no help. Because it's pre-looped, you know, in the installation, I did split the top area because I didn't want, like, these big knots. But then I ended up going back and doing the part with the regular knots. Like, I didn't split it. I didn't take the pre-loop stuff off of it. And I had redid it, but you'll see that in the installation video. But anyway, but some of this, like, up here is split, right? But the back is, like, just the full knots. And so because of that, it's so thick. It doesn't matter, like, I don't know, y'all. And you know what? This hair might be cooler if it was cut a little shorter. So I think I'm going to actually try to cut it in a bob and see what happens. And I'll bring that video to you guys, whether it's a fail or not. I've heard of people, you know, asking about, you know, if you can bob this hair. My concern is the back, because you're going to cut the bump off. You're going to cut the bump off in the back, and then it'll be straight. And then this hair, you can't curl it. So I don't know how that would turn out, but I think I'm going to do a video about it, whether it's a pass or a fail, just to show you guys. And I don't know, we'll see. So that'll be in one of the videos coming up. If it hasn't come out this week, then it'll come out, I mean, next week, you know, whatever. Anyway, just check it out. Check out all my videos. It'll be there eventually if it's not there already. So it's hot. The hair is hot. This is fall hair. This is fall and winter hair. I do not see this being summertime hair. I don't know. It is not for me. It's hot. Now, maintenance wise, I didn't do anything to it. I didn't put anything in it. I didn't wet it because I definitely didn't want the bump to go anywhere. Shower caps. Y'all know I hate shower caps, but I had to use shower caps with this hair because, again, I didn't want the bump to leave prematurely. So I had to wear that. Now, bonnets, no. What I did at night was put it up in this little bun thing like this. And that's what I did. Now, you know, if you want to do this and then take an extra strap and then put you a satin scarf around it, be my guest. It would probably help with the matting in the back. Probably. But, no. I didn't want to do that. I'm too lazy for that. All right, and another thing. I don't know if y'all see me. pulling strands off of me, it sheds. Like, it sheds so bad, y'all. Like, so bad. And it's not just, you would think it would just be the part that, you know, I had took apart from the knots and you know, installed right here so they don't have the band on it. And of course that will slip, absolutely. But even the ones with the bands on them, it sheds. Like, all of it sheds. And like, if I go through and like actually, let's see. Now, I've brushed this. I probably should have saved it. But it's not going to be as much as it would normally be. But I'm going to see if I can get enough to show you. Or you can get an idea. I should have took a picture of all that hair that was coming out yesterday. Okay, so I got this off the comb, but then let me get this off my shirt. Hold on. I don't even know what's on my back on my shirt. Like, that's a whole nother situation. This is okay. So that's brushing it after I've just brushed it like maybe 10 minutes ago to come on camera for y'all. Look at this. You see this? This should not happen. This should not happen. Not being pre-looped hair, this should not happen. This is awful. That's awful. Like, imagine you sitting at your desk and you feel the bird's nest in the back, so you gotta brush it, and then you do that and you pulling all this hair out and it's falling all over your work clothes. Like, you look like the Loch Ness monster, right? Like, it's crazy. So yeah, and it's still like, that's not all. So yeah, shedding from 0 to 10 is a 12. It's awful. It's absolutely awful. The texture did not really change. It, of course, the nape part where it matted at, yeah, it did change. It got rougher. You see? Let's see if you see the difference in the top and in the bottom. You see the, I don't know if you can tell the difference or not, but it's rougher in the nape. So that's the only place where the texture of it changed. And no, this hair did not itch. It's not itchy. Even when I, you know, got hot and like, I say that as I scratch my head, but I'm just ready for it to come out. It's literally like my nerves, Like, I would have took this out like a week ago, but I didn't have time to do the final thoughts video, and I wanted to make sure that I brought y'all this. So that's why I struggled with it for a whole nother week to be here. Actually, I took a vacation day. Like, this is Friday, and I work Monday through Friday right at my job, and I put in a vacation day just so I can get this hair out a day early. Like, that's how bad I want this hair out my head. Now, the price of the hair was $5.99 a bag. I used 3 bags of the hair. It comes in bundles of 3. Let me see. This is it. If you can see the glare off the window, but it comes in bundles of 3. And I used 3 entire packs of this hair to get this look. So the hair is $5.99 a bag. I want to say that I probably bought this during the sale at Beauty and Beyond. Shout out Beauty and Beyond. That's my spot. But they sent out this thing for VIP members, and it's like buy 2 get 1 free. So I ended up spending like $12 for the style. So $12, and I'm wearing it for about 3 weeks. So, I mean, you know, price wise, I guess it's fine. So, you know, if you want something temporary that's going to be cute for, you know, like a week or two, then sure. But if you're trying to wear this hair for 6 weeks and like you want to go on vacation and be around water, anything like that, this is not the hair for you, sis. This is not the hair for you, okay? This is not vacation hair. Please don't do it. Don't do it. It's not vacation hair. It's not pool hair. It's not cruise hair. None of that, okay? Like, you can't get this hair wet. I can only imagine how bad this nape would have made it had I actually got it wet. No. So, again, overall, will I get this hair again? Maybe. Only if, you know, I just want some straight hair. Like, I just have to have straight hair and I'm just over curly hair for the moment, you know, for that moment or whatever, then yeah, I might get it. But I won't plan on wearing it more than 2 weeks. That's it. That would be the limit. So, you know, if you want a cute style, you know, and it's cheap or whatever, and it is cute, you know, and you want to wear it for a couple of weeks, then go for it because it's not expensive. I wouldn't pay more than $20 total for this hair though. I just wouldn't. So that's it. That's all I have about this hair. If you have any questions, if I missed something, hit me in the comments and let me know, and I will respond as soon as I can. I want to thank you guys for getting me to 1K this year. No, okay, my kids say I can't do that. Whatever. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching my videos. And like I said, go check out the installation video and the rest of the installs because I will be filming all day. That means for you guys that I'm going to have videos coming out back to back, back to back. And so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you're new, welcome to the fam. And for all my loyal subscribers, thank you so, so much. Peace and blessings to you and your family. Bye.